Hey guys, welcome back to Bass Lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this Mettle praise for you, okay? I've already done the part 1, that is the starting of this praise. So if you haven't watched that, a link will pop up over here, or you see the link in the description or in the comment. Go check it out, okay? And you can also watch the part 2, okay? If you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. I also do private class lessons, okay? So if you're interested, you'll see the link over here. You see the link in the comment, in the description. Click on the link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? Then we can start doing some lessons, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with a tutorial. Okay, before we start the breakdown, if in case you do not see the groove of this lesson, okay, at beginning of the video, I'll be playing a groove, that is a song. But if in case you do not see the groove of this lesson, click on this link. It will take you direct to the groove, okay? Listen to it. If in case you do not see or it doesn't start with the groove, okay, I have created a backup channel for groove only, okay? You can also subscribe to that YouTube channel, okay? The song was played on key C, okay? Okay. Abi, you know, no say Jehovah na God. So the progression of that, da 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 da. Okay, so the progression are do fa so so 1 4 5 5 1. Okay, be you know no say. Okay, so let me try and break it very easy so that you understand. Dan. Okay, do mi so, do mi so. Okay. Okay, so on your one progression, do mi so, on your fa. Okay, so now I'll join the both together. Do mi so fa la fa re. Do mi so fa la fa re. Okay, Abi you know no say Jehovah na God. Jehovah na God. Okay, so do mi so fa la fa re. So okay, do mi so fa la fa re. So then I played these cool fills. Okay, so do mi so fa la fa re. So. Okay, so this is the first one. Do mi so fa la fa re. So. Okay, so it goes like this. Re mi re do so do. Okay, so do mi so fa la fa re. So re mi re do so do. Okay. Okay, the second one on that one progression goes like this. In case if you don't want to play, you can also ascend. That is do re mi fa, then you continue. Okay, so it's two ways on the one progression, or okay, okay, and the third one also goes like this. Okay, so when you end on your do, then you use your little finger, slide to your octave do. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so okay, so do 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 do, la fa re so 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 so. Okay, so if in case you don't want to play, so okay, so do 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 do, la fa re so 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 mi re ti so do 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 do. So in case you are joining the three of them together. Okay, that is the ending. Okay, do do mi so fa la fa re so 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 mi re ti do. Okay, so learn that part. Okay, okay, so now let's move to the Jehovah God. Okay, do fa so, that's the progression. Do fa so 1 4 5. Okay, so it goes like this. Jehovah God. Okay, so let me break that part for you. So Jehovah God. Okay, so do mi fa fi so, do mi fa fi so. Okay, because from your so you be coming to your re, then your so, then your do. Okay, do mi fa fi so, so la mo re. Okay, fa so so do. Okay. Okay, so that's the second one. So the second one also goes like this. Do mi fa fi so. Okay, that's a simple lick you can play over there. Okay, so do mi fa fi so. Then you slide to your la. Then you play your mi. Then you play your la. Then you play your re. Okay. Okay. Then you play your so, re, so, do. Okay. So that list goes from your do to your fa. Okay. Do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, fa. Okay. So let me join the both of them together. Okay, so when you play fa, re, okay, fa, re, fa, so, 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 mi, re, so. So I think this is a simple bass line I played in the song, okay? So in case you have not watched the video, go check out the video, understand the video, the bass line and everything I played, then come and watch the breakdown, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.